And so here's the big update that we have. India has won the 12th medal in the Para Games. Indian shooter Avni Lekhara wins a bronze. India wins bronze in women's 50-meter rifle event in the Para Games. This is the second medal for Avni Lekhara. In fact, Avni Lekhara has now won bronze in the 50-meter air rifle. All right, joining me on the phone line is Times of India's Gaurav Gupta. Gaurav, again, the medal tally is going up steadily in the Para Games, perhaps a little beyond expectations now. We have already reached 12 total medals. What do you have to say about the performance of Indian athletes, and particularly on Avni Lekhara, who has won a second medal now in the Para Games?
I think this is an outstanding performance by the Indian para athletes so far, and Avni won 2 medals in the same games. She should now be counted as one amongst the Olympics, para Olympic greats. The way she has performed in these games, taking 1 gold and now today a bronze, and we still have a lot of potential medalists in fray. Let's not forget that we've also got world number 1 badminton player Pramod Bhagat in action. He's in the semi-finals in doubles as well as in singles. So there's lots of medals that we can expect going forward also, and it's an unbelievable performance. It's an unprecedented performance, and clearly the performance of our athletes in the Olympics has inspired these Paralympians to go one step ahead and put our flag right on top. And to see all of them excelling so much despite the kind of restrictions that have been in place, the kind of problems that have been there for the last 2 years because of the pandemic, is absolutely fabulous to see. It's one fantastic performance. Absolutely, the little words cannot describe.
Yes, and you are also telling us, Gaurav, that this is not all. There is further potential. Where exactly are you hoping to see more wins? Because this contingent has done India tremendously proud with their performance in the Para Games. And here are athletes who have shown great courage and fortitude and resilience, to say the least, given their constraints.
It started with the medal for us in table tennis, which Bhavina Patel got us, and I thought that was also pretty much of a surprise. It's such a tough sport, and the Japanese and the Chinese, they're supposed to be ruling in table tennis. So the start that she provided after a few quiet days initially was exactly what we needed, and after that there's been a flurry of medals, and as I told you, I expect a medal from Pramod Bhagat, definitely. He's the world's number 1 para shuttler, and he's there in both the doubles. I'm not sure if it is mixed or the normal doubles category, and also in singles. I think he's in the semi-finals in both. So definitely I expect medals from him. And then there are a lot of other athletes also who have. I think there's another athlete who's reached a final in her event. So there's lots more that can be expected going forward. And I'm sure the government will reward and encourage these athletes as much as it should do, because this is an outstanding, unprecedented performance, and it can we can only get better from here. 3 years down the line, we have another Paralympics in Paris, and I think these guys should be given all the encouragement and facilities. It clearly shows that we have tremendous amount of talent. Our para athletes are next to none when it comes to performing on the world stage.
Yes, our para athletes are next to none when it comes to performing on the international stage. Gaurav Gupta, thank you so much for joining us with your inputs on the big development that we're tracking of India now upping its tally in the Para Games. 12 medals so far in the Paralympics.